Roosted Academy is the fastest and easiest way for new teams to get trained on our platform. When your company starts using Roosted, this learning course will be available for all admins on day one, and your admins can get trained at the same time right away. Once inside the Academy, users will be able to choose one of two learning paths, Quick Start or Comprehensive. Both of these learning paths will quickly train users on the Roosted platform. Each will show how to manage workers, schedule shifts, track hours, and create automations, so you can cut out the tedious manual work. The only difference is that the Comprehensive course dives into deeper detail on our specialized features. We recommend that all of your admins complete the Quick Start first and then go through the Comprehensive at their own pace. Each lesson has screenshots, detailed instructions, and videos along with our YouTube channel. By the end of each learning path, users will become masters of our AI, able to schedule and manage entire rosters of workers on the Roosted platform, from the smallest companies to the largest enterprises. And don't forget, we're here to help. You can reach out with any questions to support@roostedhr.com or look at our library of resources for further information.